Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my mama's meatloaf recipe. You will need 2 or 3 medium-sized potatoes, sliced kind of thin, a small onion, a bell pepper, 1 egg. We used 1 pound of ground chuck and 10 crackers, and then of course ketchup. So here, Mama's just adding the potatoes in the bottom of the loaf pan that she's going to use for the meatloaf. Then she's going to get everything mixed with the ground chuck and get it ready to put in the pan. Make sure you put salt and pepper on those potatoes before you put the meat mixture on top, and make sure that you crumble up your crackers very fine. My mama uses ground chuck so that it's not as greasy as ground beef, but of course if you prefer ground beef you can use that. Now here, my mama is just getting all of the meat mixture put on top of the potatoes, and then she's going to pat it down into the pan. And then we're going to bake this for 1 hour at 350 degrees. And then we will take it out and put ketchup all over the top of it and put it in for about 10 more minutes, and then it'll be done. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven after 1 hour. We're just going to get the ketchup put on top of it and then get it back in the oven. I just opened a can of English peas and heated that up on the stove as a side. And here is the meatloaf when it came out after the 10 minutes. It's completely done. Now here we are going to make some what I call fried cornbread. Back in the day they were called hoe cakes, and they're also called hot water cakes. So this is just cornmeal mixed with warm water, just to the consistency of like pancake batter, to where you can fry them. And my mama uses canola oil, and you just put them in a pan like pancakes and fry them until they're crispy and brown. Here's our plates when we are done. This is always my favorite meal when she makes it, especially the fried cornbread patties. I make those all the time myself. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and becoming a part of our YouTube family.